In D2L, grade items can be associated with assignments such as quizzes and discussion topics, and this enables scores to automatically transfer to the grades area when published. Alternately, though, grades can be entered directly into the grades area. To create a grade item in D2L, select Grades from the navigation bar, then click on Manage Grades, select the New button, and select Item from the drop-down menu. Next, you need to select the type of grade item you want to set up, and the options include, among others, numeric, where a set number of points is assigned to each item being assessed; select box, where a numeric or alpha grade scheme is used to represent a learner's grade, such as A, B, C, or 4.0, 3.5, etc., and a simple pass-fail type. Today, we will set this grade item to be numeric. When you click on the option, a new window opens where you can set up properties. First, we need to assign a name. Next, we can assign the item to either an existing category, or we can click on the link to set up a new category. For now, let's assign our item to the category we previously created in another tutorial. Again, you have the option to add a description. And next, we move to set up the grading properties. This includes the maximum number of points possible for the item. And by selecting the Can Exceed setting, learners can earn more than the maximum value for exceptional performance. The bonus setting is for items that you want added on top of the calculated grade. Keep in mind that bonus items cannot make learners' grades exceed the maximum points unless the Can Exceed option is also selected. Select the Exclude from Final Grade calculation if you do not want the grade item to be calculated into the final grade for the course. At this point, you can add a rubric using this button, or you can create one by clicking on this link. Similar to setting up grade categories, you can establish display options for whether students are able to see class averages and grade distributions, and also the way grades are displayed to students, whether by point, symbol, or color. Save and close, and you have set up a grade item underneath your category.